Okay, real quick, I'm going to follow up with this. I have my drill. I use something a little larger, and I go right down on top of the rivet like that, and that gets me the rivet end cut out. Then I use screwdrivers if I have to pop the truck off. Here you can see the rivet and the electrical connector copper piece are out. They're not damaged. The drill went through, but it's just slightly bigger, so I should be able to make good with that as I go to reassembly. This needs cleaning, but it's not worn at all. Then we get to the perp, the perp at hand, and we see when I go to take this apart, this is the outer ring and this is the inner piece, and then there's the rivet itself. The rivet itself is ruined. This is the outer ring, this is the rivet. Sorry, I'm not doing too well today, but I can get them separated, and this is supposed to be one big fat part, and this rivet is now ruined, so I have to get a new one. But I have a box of them, so I'm going to look for this matching part, new rivet, and then I'll be able to clean these elements, especially under here. I like to clean these things. You can see how shiny it is here and a little dull over here. So I'm going to clean this off real well as I get to reassemble and clean this piece off. And the back side, if it needs it, a little bit of grease up in there. Clean that off. Before I reassemble it, I'm going to remove this rivet as well. Same technique, drill it out. This is a really nice piece of nickel plate. You want to hang on to it. Might be able to use it for something later, but I don't know what. At any rate, you can see how this is a reinforced truck and all that. That's really cool. May want to keep it. You could attach here, or I could attach here. I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I'm going to check with all of my connectors and drawbar heights and see what I have that works the best, and then I'll be able to put that together. Okay, I just wanted to update you on how you get it apart and what you see when you do get it apart and how you put it back together. You just get a new piece of insulator, put a new rivet in it, bring that through the bottom, have something up underneath to keep it up for you. Then you stack your parts in reverse order. Make sure you put the copper contact strip under the axles, right? And then hold it in place. And then I'll show you this because it's really handy. I use this. It's like a, oh no, that's not it. I'm wrong. It is, that's something, but that's not it. What do I use? Oh, here it is. There it is. It's a rivet punch, but it's manual. So you get on the rivet and you push down. You have to cock it, and you'll hear a click. Hear that loud click. It's sort of like a spring hammer, and it swages the sides of the rivet out and in an even way because the tip is made certainly to do that, you see? So it goes down the middle of the rivet, spreads it out, folds it over, and you just keep tapping it, sometimes 20 times. Tap, 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 and you'll get a nice snug fit without damaging anything. Okay, that's the show. Just wanted to give you a little heads up. It's apart and I'm going to fix it.